Weather with Brisa Mendez.
Cloudy skies and rainfall across western Oregon this evening. Our rain accumulation for today over in Roseburg and Coos Bay close to 1 inch. Eugene close to ½ an inch. This will continue to accumulate as we proceed into the overnight hours and heading into Sunday as a cold front continues to push across western Oregon from the Pacific Ocean. As we take a live look outside of our Oak Gray Center in Eugene, experiencing mostly cloudy skies this evening. Our current temperature is in the low 60s with 63 degrees, humidity values 90%, with only 8 miles per hour a wind coming in from the northeast. Today's high temperatures below average for the valley floor. Roseburg only 71 degrees, Eugene 67, Newport looking at 59. We will continue to see temperatures below average across western Oregon as we continue into Sunday. Heading into Saturday morning, 9 a.m., we will continue to see that heavy rainfall across the region. For those early morning graduations, do expect those wet conditions and mostly cloudy skies. Heading into Saturday night, 7 p.m., this is where we really start to get a break of all those wet conditions, mostly dry and cloudy conditions. However, that rainfall does make a return back into western Oregon heading into Sunday morning with heavy rainfall across the region. Rain accumulation in the next 48 hours along the I-5 close to 2 inches. Share them, and me and Jody were thinking like taking the garbage out, and I was also thinking like the dishes. Nobody wants to wash the dishes.
No, and people are saying that. A lot of people are agreeing that mowing and also mowing the lawn, dishes, garbage, vacuuming out dad's car. There you go.
Oh,
or mom's.
That's a good one.
I know, right? Excuse me. Because you know when their kids are in there, they leave everything in there, and we're picking up after them. Just saying as a parent. We know that. So we're looking at some sunshine coming into our beautiful
sunshine already making a view across western Oregon. Check this out, that sunrise across the horizon. Big, bright, and early with our current temperatures across the region in the 50s. Over in Eugene looking at 48 degrees. Humidity values 93%. Our current winds looking nice and calm across western Oregon. Corvallis is only 3 miles per hour. Santiam Pass looking at 7. Newport looking at 15. We will continue to see those calm wind conditions heading into the evening and into Wednesday and Thursday. As we proceed into lunchtime, do expect temperatures in the upper 60s. Beautiful sunny skies as we proceed into dinner, projected to reach 75 degrees. Temperatures this evening along the I-5 in the 70s. Roseburg 76 degrees. This mercury will increase into the 80s heading into Wednesday and Thursday along the coastal region in the 60s and 50s. Into our latest allergy report across Eugene, looking at that high category with grass pollen count at 61.
It's now time for a look at your first weather forecast. So let's send things over to the Weather Center with Brisa Mendez to see what's ahead. Brisa.
Joyce, today we broke the record with our morning temperatures in Eugene and Roseburg with 22 degrees. Last recorded back in 1913 over in Roseburg, recorded back in 1953 with 25 degrees. We will continue to see freezing temperatures heading into tonight and tomorrow morning.
Western Oregon this weekend. Brisa Mendez joining us now with the first look at your forecast. Did I just say snowpack?
That's right, Brandon. I am tracking that melting snow over in the Cascades with rain accumulation already starting to add up over in Newport and Florence, close to ½ an inch. This will continue heading into the overnight hours and heading into Saturday morning with that rain accumulation close to 3 inches across the Cascades, close to 2 inches over in Eugene and Roseburg. As we take a live look outside over Roseburg, seeing those dry conditions and mostly cloudy skies, we will start to see that heavy rainfall as we proceed into 10 p.m. heading into the overnight hours. Our current temperatures across the Umpqua Valley in the upper 70s with 78 degrees, humidity value 62%, with only 9 miles per hour a wind coming in from the west. Satellite radar indicating mostly cloudy skies from the coast into the Cascades. Temperatures tonight dropping into the 60s.
Now weather with Brisa Mendez.
Check this out. Beautiful sunrise early this morning across the southern Willamette Valley. We love to see your photos and your videos on air. You too can send in yours by scanning that QR code on your screen. As we take a closer look across Roseburg, seeing sunny skies and dry conditions this morning. Our current temperatures across the Umpqua Valley in the upper 40s with 48 degrees, humidity values 89%. We will continue to see that mercury increase heading into this evening in the 70s. 70s, low 80s heading into the end of the week for Thursday and Friday. Our satellite and radar indicating dry conditions from the coast into the Cascades, all due to this high pressure system continuing to build across the Pacific Northwest, which is the reason why we will continue to see those dry conditions and beautiful sunny skies throughout the week. I am tracking this cold front and low pressure system slowly making its way in from the Pacific Ocean into the region. Current temperatures this evening across the states looking very hot down in Phoenix, 112. El Paso, Texas, looking at 102. Closer to home in Eugene in the upper 60s. Seattle, 61 degrees. Today's high temperatures above average in Roseburg, reaching 79. We are projected to drop 10 to 20 degrees cooler heading into Sunday as a cold front continues to push into western Oregon from the Pacific Ocean. Newport today reaching 59. As we take a live look outside over the southern Willamette Valley, seeing mostly cloudy conditions this evening. Our current temperatures in Eugene remaining in the upper 60s, 67 degrees. Humidity value 76%, which is the reason why we're experiencing those muggy conditions across the valley floor with only 9 miles per hour of wind coming in from the west-southwest.
BC 16's Brisa Mendez now live on the weather deck. Enjoy it because it's going to get chilly out there tomorrow. Brisa?
Kendall and Alan, I'm enjoying this beautiful sunshine out here in the Willamette Valley. We did see temperatures above average for the valley floor today. Eugene reaching 74 degrees with 15 degrees above the average temperature. Roseburg reaching 86 with 25 degrees above the average high in the coastal region, the 50s and the 60s. We are projected to drop back into near average heading into Friday evening in the 50s across western Oregon. As we take a closer look into our satellite and radar indicating that clear activity from the coast into the Cascades. I am tracking a cold front and a low pressure system making its way in from the Pacific Ocean into the region. This will bring in those chances of scattered showers heading into the overnight hours and for that early morning commute Friday morning. So do expect those wet conditions, which is very much needed for our current drought conditions. Lane County still under moderate and severe droughts over on the east side under extreme and exceptional, including Klamath County, Lakeview, and Bend.
Look, Brisa.
Kiwi, I am tracking a cold front and a second low pressure system making its way in from the Pacific Ocean into western Oregon. This is a reason why we're going to see heavy rainfall as we proceed into tonight and into Sunday. Now taking a live look outside of our Oakway Center in Eugene, mostly cloudy skies. Our current temperatures in the low 50s, 52 degrees. Humidity value 69%. Very breezy conditions this evening, up to 18 miles per hour of wind coming in from the south. As we take a live look outside over the Willamette Pass, looking like a winter wonderland with that snow accumulation at that elevation of 5,100 feet. We are expected to see more snow accumulation heading into Monday evening. Santiam Pass still projected to reach 4 inches of snow. Mount Bachelor in the Willamette Pass looking at 1. Crater Lake close to 3 inches. If you're traveling through these areas, be aware of those slick road conditions. Temperatures tomorrow morning waking up in the 30s and 40s across western Oregon. Jody, we will continue to see those beautiful sunny skies across western Oregon with those warm temperatures above average for the valley floor projected to reach the 70s heading into this evening. Temperatures tonight will be dropping back into the 50s with mostly cloudy skies.
Today, even though it is a little bit cooler. Brisa?
Kendall and Alan, I'm enjoying these beautiful dry conditions while they last here in western Oregon as we are projected to see that rainfall return back into the region as a cold front approaches from the Pacific Ocean. We're also experiencing very cool temperatures this evening and breezy conditions here in the Willamette Valley, currently sitting in the 40s and 50s across western Oregon. Much cooler for Santiam Pass and the Willamette Pass in the low 30s. Now into our temperature change from 24 hours ago, much more cooler here in Eugene by -20, Roseburg 28 degrees cooler than yesterday. Satellite and radar indicating those increasing clouds from the coast into the Cascade. Heading into the evening hours projected to reach the 40s, Sweet Home 43 degrees. 7-day forecast for Eugene and Springfield. Looking at that weather alert day remaining in effect for Monday. Coos Bay breezy conditions up to 45 miles per hour with chances of thunderstorms as we continue into Tuesday. Over in Roseburg, also looking at that weather alert day remaining in effect for Monday as we are projected to see chances of snow showers with breezy conditions following into Wednesday. And now moving on to sports with Trevor Denton.
With Brisa Mendez.
Check this out, beautiful photo captured by Kim. We love to see your photos and your videos on air. You too can send in yours at kval.com/chime in. Into our temperatures this morning across the region, sitting in the 40s and 50s, much cooler over in the Willamette Pass, 36 degrees. Eugene looking at 48. The warnings will go into effect tonight and lasting through Monday as a strong storm moves into western Oregon. Expect snow accumulation for elevations above 2,000 feet. Travel through the Oregon Cascades can be very difficult. Be very careful if you're traveling this Sunday and Monday. Douglas County will see breezy conditions up to 40 miles per hour. The coastal region will see gusty winds up to 75 miles per hour. These winds can cause some power outages and trees to fall across the region. I'm actually going to Disneyland this summer. My niece is turning 3. It's going to be her birthday present.
Oh, that's so awesome.
I don't think they give you Disney Plus, though, if you go to the park.
Oh, really?
I don't think that's a ticket edition.
Oh, man. It's okay, though. I'll enjoy the characters, especially Belle.
That's your favorite. That's a good one.
I love Beauty and the Beast. Winter season is only 3 days away. We're already starting to see that winter weather across western Oregon.
Now weather with Brisa Mendez.
We're officially 10 days away from starting our summer season, and we're continuing to see that heavy rainfall across western Oregon this weekend. This rain has been very beneficial for drought conditions across the region. In 1 week, exceptional drought has dropped by 6%, which is very good news across the region. Expect heavy rainfall and cloudy skies with chances of thunderstorms across western Oregon heading into Sunday. As we take a live look outside of our Oakway Center in Eugene, seeing mostly cloudy skies this evening. Our current temperatures sitting in the mid-60s with 65 degrees, humidity values 90% with only 8 miles per hour. Taking a live look outside over the southern Willamette Valley, seeing that beautiful sunrise across the horizon this morning with dry conditions. We will continue to see those beautiful sunny skies heading into Wednesday and Thursday. Our current temperatures in Eugene sitting in the upper 40s with 48 degrees. Current temperatures this morning across western Oregon in the 40s and 50s with sunny skies and dry conditions across the region. We are projected to reach temperatures above average across the valley floor.
Obviously, we just saw one of them.
That's a beautiful fish. It kind of matches my bright pink dress today.
Was that planned, Brisa? Was that planned today?
No, it wasn't. They do say that more than 80% of the ocean remains undiscovered.
Spooky. So. Yeah, I mean, I was reading, what is it? The lowest point is like 7 miles.
Yeah.
So, yeah, again, so much to discover. Well, thank you so much for watching NBC 16 News at 11, The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon.